All over the world, energy is wasted due to ignorant people or companies which do not implement any power-aware strategies. We propose a solution to reduce the amount of wasted energy by implementing a monitoring system which delivers a power usage blueprint. We offer this solution as a service for the clients with the purpose of identifying energy leaks due to inefficient usage. By offering this convenient service, we are making a step towards the implementation of energy plans that can eventually reverse the loss of natural resources. There are three main components in our solution: a wireless sensor network, a central device, and a storage server. The sensors are equipped with a power measurement device which connects to the power supply line of the monitored element. This data is sent to the central processing unit, namely the e-box, for processing and storage. The transmission is done through an XBee wireless network. The e-box has an XBee coordinator connected to it in order to control the network. The data is then uploaded to the server using Windows Communication Foundation and the HTTPS protocol. The user logs into the server where an ASP.NET Model View Control application presents the data in an easy-to-read way. The interaction with the system, from the user's point of view, begins at the system installation step. An employee of the company which provides this service logs on to the e-box. He can then scan for new devices in the system. When a device is detected, the e-box opens a form which has to be filled with information regarding the device. The user only has to provide a name for the newly discovered device. But the main way the user interacts with our system is through the web application on the server. There are two types of accounts here, one for the administration part and one for the regular clients. The administration part is designed to help controlling the clients of the system by adding, listing or deleting companies. When a client logs in, he or she can view the data measured in its location. Graphs are presented showing the voltage, amperage and the total consumed power. The device and the day the charts refer to can be selected from the right. In conclusion, we designed and built an energy blueprinting service that is meant to provide a sustainable environment for the future.